outside once before they start the figure eight. So they go around the outside and then they're going to start the eight. But first they're going to smash into each other and try and make this turn. And there's Kate. She's getting a little bit impatient. She wants through. They're not letting her. There's a lot of help. There you go. They're just jumping around, making it a lot easier. Now once they make this turn, they got to start doing the figure eight part. Oh, 96 out of nowhere just spins her right around. Brendan, he's got that thing just a humming. And here comes Kate right behind him to make the turn. Oh, Brendan's right in behind him. Graham. Kyle's in the lead. Graham's trying to get past that block. It just keeps jumping out in front of him, though. Brendan fast on the hip. Kate all of a sudden jumping into second place.
I think
Can she keep? There you go, Kate. She's got the hang of this. She's gonna get out of all these boys. Brendan hot on the heels. Brendan just lapped everyone. Brendan's now a lap ahead of everyone. Kate right on the heels of the boys. She's gonna try and lap them too. Coming in third. Brandon out front. Kate, she seems to got spun away, going the wrong way. There seems to be a small up here in a way they can't get out. Traffic jam like the 401 at 7 o'clock in the morning. Oh, Kate's out of the mess. She's on her way around. She's going to race around and see if she can't get caught back up to the back of them. Out of the way. This 96 car seems to be, oh no, they're past him. They said enough of you, we're just going to get you out of the way. And away they go again. This 9.6 car. He's away. Kate hot on his heel. Oh, there's Kate past the 9.6. And he's back in front. Kyle. Sheldon in the corner first, but will he be the first out? Yep, Sheldon's out first. Followed by Ian. But who's going to get out second? Ian. Oh, there you go. That's Len Knight out in front, 87. Nope, Doug is out front, 87. Doug out front. Hot on his heels is Ian, followed by Len Knight. Oh, there he is. Ian's plugging away. Can Ian stay in front? Ian out in front. Doug's hot on his heels, trying to get that. Oh, we're out. Out in there. It looks like Ian's in the lead, folks. Oh, Ian losing his lead. lead. Doug's jumping out in front. Doug's jumping out in front, but Ian says, no, thank you. I'll take the cushion to help around. All of a sudden, Len Knight jumping out. Len jumping into second. Sheldon causing a bit of a traffic jam. Len Knight cutting in the corner. Can he get around? Can he get around Ian? Oh, there he goes. Len cutting it around. And Ian back out in front.
Oh, he blew a tire. Ow.
Oh, Len in the wall. A little love.
Oh, we're done.
Set.
We're done.
First place. Ian moves on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They're off. And away they go. Out front with an early lead. Chris Knight. Jumping in front of him. Jumping in front of him, Nathan Prince. Way out front. Oh, there's Chris Knight back in first. Nathan hot on his heels, pushing him around. Nathan decided that Mr. Chris didn't need a bit of help there around that corner. Now they're coming through side by side, and all of a sudden there's a car in the way. Mr. Knight back out in front. Nathan hot on his heels, pushing around. Close behind him, number 3rd, Alex. Mr. Knight coming around tight. He is just pushing the envelope. There's a bit of a struggle here for second place. Less of a struggle. Alex jumping in front into second. Alex all of a sudden in second place. Mr. Knight still flying ahead. Oh, and there's number 3 back in front. Nathan back into second. Number 10 has decided he's going to lap them all. There's Mr. Knight. Chris lapping everybody. Followed closely behind by number 3, which is Nathan. Nathan out in second place. They're fighting. And that's the end of that. Chris Knight has got his lap done. And number 3 finishes second, Nathan Prince. 4, 3, 2,
you feel Logan?
1, go! And there they go. And around the corner. And Doug out front. Followed right behind by Kyle. Doug is in the lead. Nathan right on his heels, followed by Kate. Doug way out front. Nathan trying to catch up. Can he get there? Doug has got a good lead on him now. Nathan's gonna have to fight real hard to do this. Doug making it look easy. He's just sliding around these corners like no tomorrow. Oh! Nathan got it just behind him. Doug Ditchfield. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! And we're off. Mr. Knight out in front. There's Knight out in front. He's making this look easy. Right behind him, Kyle and Doug. Oh, Doug's like, here, let me just show you how to get by here. I'll just help you out right around here. Chris out in front. Doug getting some help around the corner. Not sure he wanted it, but he got it. And he's going to get some more help. Chris taking good advantage of all this help. Chris out in front. Doug hot on his heels. And Kyle taking a little bit of respite. Kyle decided they needed a bit of a head start so that he can catch up. Chris trying to get past all of them again.
Who's in the lead?
Chris Knight in the lead, followed by Doug and Kyle hot on his heels trying to make up some ground. Kyle's got to make up a whole nother lap. Now he's going to make up two because Chris Knight just passed Doug.
He just circled him.
No, apparently Doug wanted to take a nap. Chris Knight out in front. He's got to be up 3 laps by now. Chris Knight just making this thing look easy. Just flying around those corners. Not even working at it. I think I saw Chris making a cup of tea in there. It's so easy for him. Chris taking his time, letting everyone get past. No rush. 3 laps up. He's got the black flag, which means he's on the last lap.
Oh, we lost a bumper. And there we go.
And there we go. Chris
We have a
Knight.
winner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner, Chris Knight.
From